Hi guys, it's Peter Brennan here, Wolfgang, and I'm going to talk about gold and the gold stocks today, just to give you a little bit of insight on that. Now, I often like to look at gold stocks because very frequently gold stocks often move by more than 20% a year. So that's quite a nice move. If you can capture a piece of that every year, you can make quite a percentage, a very good return on a move like that, if you know what's coming and if you know how to play it. Now, if you look back at one of my earlier videos, you can see my views on gold at the moment. And just to reiterate, I don't know where gold's going to go, but it wouldn't surprise me if at some stage in the coming months or perhaps in a year's time, it broke out and ran to 1600. But as I said in the other video, traditionally or usually gold acts weekly during the summer. So for July and August, it wouldn't surprise me if gold sold off quite a bit. And if that happens, then I'd be looking to buy on weakness at some stage if I get a buy signal. Now, I'll only buy gold if it gets into a buy zone and I get a very specific entry for that run to 1600, and that would be a longer term trade. So I would trade something like that on the monthly, weekly and daily charts. Now, you can be pretty sure if gold does start off after some summer weakness, if it does start off this autumn on another leg of its bull run, you can be pretty sure the gold stocks will follow in tandem. If gold really runs, gold stocks tend to go with it. My favorite gold stock to play, to watch for that sort of thing, is Gold Corp. The ticker is GG, and you can see the monthly chart of GG here looks very strong. It's up quite high. Let's look at the weekly as well. My PC is running a little bit slow now with this video recording software. It's one of the drawbacks of using it. Tends to slow my PC down, so it's not changing very quickly. But looking at GG here now, hopefully the weekly will come up in a minute. It's far too extended to buy here. There's no way I would buy it here. A lot of the moves already happened. So if you were chasing a gold stock, you missed most of the move. I also noticed I've been checking the one of the sentiment indicators, which is the call volume versus the put volume in the gold stocks, and they're at a ratio of 2.65 to 1. Now, typically what that means is that a lot of traders have all gone to one side of the boat, that they've all been buying gold stocks. And the market doesn't like to make it easy to make money. So typically what happens when you get an asymmetric put-call ratio like that, a lot of the people who've rushed into the gold stocks are going to get their stops run because it's overbought and it's going to pull back, and it's going to pull back quite significantly. So what I'm going to do is probably for the next month or two, I'm just really going to watch the market, and I'm going to be looking for an entry point in both gold and gold stocks, and I'll be looking for very specific entry points, probably pullbacks to daily moving averages, and then I'll get in with tight stops and see if I can capture some of the move that I see coming for gold stocks and gold in the autumn. Now, bear in mind, as I said in an introductory video I posted earlier today, I'll only get in if I see very specific information that on weakness the bulls are stepping up to the plate and they're buying these instruments. Otherwise, I'll stand aside. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video, and see you tomorrow.